I also just put a drop more water in my glue because I reckon it was just a little bit too stiff. Just a little bit. With doing a floor, you should be able to get it out of your bucket like that, more or less. Pour it out. Not super runny. But not too stiff either. I do believe that it's a good idea to keep your notch going the same way. You don't have to do stupid bloody squirrels and shit like that. If you have a corner like that, just wipe it like so. Then you know you've got glue on your tile for that corner. Same thing with your edge. When I was younger, I used to go rip, shit and bust, but it doesn't get you any further. You go a nice, comfortable pace, and you'll surprise yourself how many meters you get down. All the time, I'm looking at my lines. This crack in the concrete's nothing. It's this house is 30 years old. It's a crack that developed probably in the first year the house was built. So it's not going to go anywhere. I'll go to that level, that straight edge, but I will come back and put in a straight edge once I've laid it to the wall. I will come back and just check on this side. I'll show you soon. These clips are a little bit soft and they can be, or they are a little bit of a pain to take out. But when they're slightly softer, you're not having to use the crimper all the time. You know, like, that's brilliant just with your hand. So it's heaps quicker. Where's my knife? Oh, yeah, sitting in the glue. That'd be right. There's a little bit of wax that's keeping them together. The wax is there, so it just holds them apart. So they don't break in transit. That's the reason for your wax in between your tiles. See that? Right, so I will just get a little bit on the edge of my tile here, like that, and it just takes care of that edge, like so. Just checking that. Yes, I mustn't forget my trolley in the morning. But because I haven't used it for a while, in the middle of the night, I woke up and thought, oh, Jesus, I need my trolley. I mustn't forget that. What do? Kiss my lovely goodbye for work and forget all about it. Yep. Yesterday was our wedding anniversary, 47 years. Ah, shit. Get less for double murder. Anyway. I wouldn't be with anyone else, I tell you. I'll tell you that now. Oh, slap some more down. But yeah, this is, you still do this all day, people. Next thing you know, you've got 15 or 20 meters down, and you go, oh wow, yeah, cool. And then you do the cuts the next day. I don't do many floors because a lot of young guys can undercut me. I charge too much. And young guys can undercut me easy. So I don't do them. I like my bathrooms. I used to do a lot of floors though. I'm only doing this floor because it's a referral, and whatever I charge, you know, these people, I've given them a price, but my old saying is how does it go? People, I charge what I charge and people willingly pay. But if I had to compete for this job, young guys would have beaten me easy. And that's why I make money, because people, they want me to do it, and they willingly pay me whatever I charge. Alright people, I've got to get some more tiles from outside. I've got to mix up some more glue. I'll come back to you shortly. Checking for straightness. That's good. Lovely bubbly. So you just get into the next row and, oh shit, I'll be across there before you can say Jack Robinson, I suppose. When I get across here, I will be putting through a string line and transferring it down to the floor, and we're laughing. Then it's all in line nicely. I'll see you soon. Ciao.